too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You have me so.
Hey, Nene Squad. What's up? What it do? So today we gonna start off by combing out them kinks in our hair, okay? And then after, I'm going to spray the perimeter of my hair with some H2O just so I can get the gels, you know, to not be so hard so it'll be easier to brush. And I'm going to brush my hair up, and it's like towards what I'm going to be putting my hair into, which is a high ponytail. Then after, I'm just going to put Eco Styling Gel on the perimeter of my hair. I'm going to start brushing my hair up, making sure the Eco Styling Gel is through my hair strands and brushing my hair into this ponytail. After I'm done putting my hair in a ponytail, I'm just going to use my brush and brush my hair to make sure it's smooth. And then I'm going to wrap my hair up for like about 25 to 30 minutes. After I have wrapped my hair for so long, I'm going to go in with this Canon hair for my ponytail, and I'm going to wrap the hair tie that's on the hair on my ponytail, if that makes sense. After that, I am going to take a little piece of the hair and I'm going to wrap it around the ponytail, but I'm going to make sure the hair is kind of flat, if you know what I mean. Like, it's really flat so I can wrap it around the ponytail so it can hide where the hair connects with my hair. Unwrapping the hair around, I'm going to bobby pin it down, and then I'm going to do my edges, aka if you guys want to see some pictures and stuff like that of this hairstyle, make sure you go look at my Instagram at alwaysanaya. Thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you guys till next time. Mwah.
I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you.